Someone left the latch off in Harriman. And of course up there, we ain't got no phones. I'd really like to call up someone. Maybe they've already all gone home. Now there's a certain way to do things so that very little looks like it's been done. Maybe it's respect for previous engineering. Maybe it's just to make it fun. Now the rooms in Harriman are a pastiche of separate kingdoms, duchies, papal states. Dinner is a time for gathering round and disagree in friendly debate. My host Charles was attracted to strong personalities. Guess that's why when I got divorced he said, "Come live with me." We were in a punk band in the 70s. We weren't just leather clever, we created a move. Marcel Duchamp was his hero. He'd stay up all night, just play chess. I'm not saying that's what killed him, but you should never laugh at meaninglessness. Someone left the latch off in Harriman. Its sticks really should be repaired. Charles says add it to that long, long list of things that keep interfering with our drinking beer. Now the crockery in the kitchen was a hodgepodge of plates and dishes that didn't match. Unless you think any assortment of different things, if brought together, somehow become a set. We had some famous artists up there. One was named Adam Foose. I'd see him regularly at the swimming hole, quite content to be deep in the muck. Gutman maintained a library whose focus was all the world wars. See him pulling up the lily pads whenever I was avoiding my chores. He'd say, every house should have a chicken shack. You know just what I mean. A summer retreat, mostly screams, not some place you go on Halloween. Everyone knew one day we'd lose Harriman. We just acted like we didn't care. Pull up a seat, grab a beer, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Yeah, well, pull up a seat, grab a beer, you ain't going nowhere. Take it home. So you've touched a nerve, put in words to it, and that's good, I think, but elusive. Lula said that to me after hearing this song and how much heart she thought Harriman had in it. Someone left the stove on in Harriman, and I wonder how much gas is in the tank. If the pipes all freeze, I just wanted to say it was fun, really, thanks. Friendship may be the most important thing you will ever have. It may be the only thing that you never forget after taking all those forks and all those paths. Yeah, someone left the latch off in Harriman. And of course up there, we ain't got no phones. I'd really like to call up someone. Maybe they've already all gone.